Have you ever wondered what colors bees come in? Well, fun fact, bees can see ultraviolet colors that are invisible to the human eye. How cool is that? Now, in today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to color a bee in a super fun and easy way that's perfect for kids to follow along. So, let's dive right in. Now, it's your turn. We want to see your colorful bees too. Share your artwork in the comments below. And don't forget to check out more fun tutorials on our channel. Happy coloring, everyone!